Hi guys, so this is my review of the Dbrand skin for the Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge. I got them in time and I want to take a closer look at them. I did try a few different color combinations just to see how it works, and what I wanted to also do is I never tried true color so far and I never tried the white leather, so I think I got pretty much covered all the different covers they have available. I want to quickly start off with the S6. The S6, as you can see here, the red carbon looks quite nice, but same as on the back, I have to say one thing. Because the S6 has this minimal curve on the glass, it just doesn't look quite out of the box as maybe on the S6 Edge. You see, you have this curve here, but this minimal curve can't be done by a skin. That is not the issue of the skin, nothing the skin can do about, but it just doesn't look out of the box anymore because it looks like it was done afterwards, which it is, but that is no downside. Also, this skin here, the true color, feels definitely nice and grippy. As you can also feel or hear, it sounds very sturdy, very robust, and don't worry about any scratch. This is really robust, no worries about that. Of course, it will be a little bit sharp towards the edges, but you can file them down. It will get better over time. And what I said, it doesn't look like quite out of the box, but this is really a minor thing. But otherwise, I have to say it looks amazing. The precision is great. I didn't apply them maybe 100% perfect, but definitely way more than good enough. It just looks great, and if you don't want to worry about the glass protected with the skin, it won't bother you. On the front, it's a personal preference. I usually like it clean, but actually here in this case it looks better. But here's the big highlight for the Dbrand skin. If one device was ever made in mind for the Dbrand skin, then in my opinion it is the S6 Edge, because first of all it looks so amazing with this blue carbon here on the front, way better than actually the red, but I guess the red would actually look better on the edge as well, because the great thing here is we have this minimal bezeled edge, and the skin closes in exactly towards it, because usually you have this slightly rough edge here, but this one exactly points toward this, and you can feel it if you do it like this. You only feel it from this side, of course, but from this side, no. And one thing more, since the S6 Edge is flat on the back, this one looks like it is stock. This one looks out of the box if done right, and that's why I have to say, first of all, it looks amazing. The S6 already looks great, but with this skin, it looks even so much better. And the Dbrand skin, or any skin at all, looks a little bit like an afterthought on the S6. It doesn't look quite natural as on some other device. Maybe it still looks good, it still looks fitting, no problems here at all, and it does give you a little bit of scratch protection and so on. But on the S6 Edge, if you have one and if you want to improve the design even further, it looks great. As for the white leather, great. I really like this texture. It feels very nice. As you can see here, this texture. So it feels great. It feels also very sturdy, and it is very kind of plasticky, but this will get a little bit softer over time. I had the black one on one of my older devices. I'm not really sure which one it was actually, and it got way better over time, way smoother, but it feels definitely better. And I think if I would still have a skin on my Z3, this is just the front I got from here to wanted to test it. The carbon actually feels better than I had in my mind. It is softer. It feels a bit softer, but I would go, if I would have one skin more, I would go for white leather, because white leather, I think it looks really premium. And it looks great. And actually I can't even tell if you can see it, but this is the white S6 Edge. But since you don't really have anything where you would still see it, maybe on the buttons. So my final conclusion is, it looks great on the S6, but it looks almost perfect on the S6 Edge, just because I think the S6 Edge was almost made in mind for Dbrand. So great job, because there I don't have any scratchy feel. It just feels natural. It feels like it was made with this in mind. So this is it for my video. Until next time, bye.